Good morning, students. Today's topic is depression in freezing point. This is the third colligative property which depends on number of moles of particles like atoms, ions, or molecules. Freezing point is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of liquid state that become equal to the vapor pressure in the solid state. It means solid state is equal to liquid state in the case of vapor pressure. This at this temperature is called as freezing point. A solution freezes. A solution freezes when its vapor pressure equal to the vapor pressure of pure solvent. When a non-volatile solute is added to a volatile solvent, its vapor pressure decreases. Means it would become equal to that of solid solvent. This is solid solvent and this will be the vapor pressure of pure solvent which present in liquid state. This is the vapor pressure of solid solvent and this is the vapor pressure of liquid solution. If we increase the temperature, then vapor pressure increases. Means vapor increases, it means vapor pressure also increases. So when the solid is changes into liquid, this is the freezing point of solution and this is the freezing point of pure solvent, and the difference in the freezing point of pure solvent and the solution is called as delta TF, means depression in freezing point. Delta TF is equal to TF naught minus TF. From experimental, it is found that delta TF is directly proportional to M. Means for a dilute solution, the depression in freezing point is directly proportional to molality of a solution. Delta TF is equal to KF into M. Here KF is a constant or molar depression constant or cryoscopic constant, where M is the molality. Molality means number of moles of non-volatile solute present in 1000 gram of solvent. Here how will you calculate the unit of KF? KF is equal to delta TF divided by M. Delta TF unit is Kelvin, temperature unit is Kelvin, divide by M. M is the molality. Molality means number of moles. Number of moles means mole. Mass of solvent means kg, means k kg per mole. How will you define KF? When the molality is 1 mole per kg, then delta TF is equal to KF into 1. It means delta TF is equal to KF. We can say that this is the molar depression constant or cryoscopic constant. It is defined as the depression in freezing point when 1 mole of non-volatile solute is dissolved in a 1000 gram of solvent. This is the definition of Kf. Now how will you calculate the m? Delta Tf is equal to Kf into m. M is the molality. M is equal to Nb, number of moles of solute, divided by Na. Means how will you calculate the number of moles? Number of moles is equal to Wb, means given mass divided by molar mass. This is the mass of solute. B means solute, A means solvent. Na, given mass divided by molar mass. Putting this value here, Wb by Mb into 1000 is the molecular mass of A solvent, divided by Wa. Here we can easily calculate Mb, means molar mass of solute. After cross it, this formula is calculate. Next, if the Wa is a constant, then delta Tf depend on the number of moles of solute. It means it is a colligative property which depends only on number of moles but does not depend on the nature of solute particles. If the Kb and Kf value are not given, this is the rare case, then we can easily find out by this formula. Because Kf and Kb, that depends on the nature of solvent and the concentration of solution. The formula of Kb, that is the elevation in boiling point or ebullioscopic constant, that is equal to R. R is the universal gas constant multiply Ma, that is the molar mass of solvent, into Tb naught whole square, means the boiling point of pure solvent, divided by delta vaporization H, means enthalpy of vaporization of solvent, into 1000. This is the formula of elevation in boiling point, means molar elevation constant or ebullioscopic constant. Here Kf is the molar depression constant or cryoscopic constant. R multiply Ma into Tf naught whole square, divided by delta. This is the fusion, enthalpy of fusion of solid solvent, into 1000. Now take one numerical problem. A 5% solution by mass of cane sugar in water has a freezing point of 271 Kelvin. Calculate the freezing point of 5% glucose in water if the freezing point of pure water is 273.15 Kelvin. It means 5% solution by mass means 5 gram of cane sugar present in 100 gram solution. Delta Tf is equal to Kf into m. Here first of all we calculate delta Tf. Delta Tf is equal to Tf naught minus Tf. This is the freezing point of pure solvent minus freezing point of solution. Freezing point of pure solvent, that is given, this one 273.15 minus, this is the freezing point of solution 271, that is 2.15 Kelvin. Putting this value here, Kf value we will calculate into m. M is the molality. Wb by Mb multiply 1000 by Wa. After putting this value, Wb is the weight mass of solute, that is 5 gram. divide by molar mass of cane sugar, that is 342 gram, into me 1000, divide by WA is the mass of solvent, means 5 gram cane sugar present in 100 gram solution. It means solute plus solvent, that is equal to solution. So 100 minus 5, that is 95 is the mass of solvent. After that we can easily calculate the Kf value. Then putting this Kf value in this formula, delta Tf is equal to Kf into WB into 1000 by MB into me WA. Kf value is 13.97. These values are given. Means here we are find out the freezing point of 5% glucose. Glucose means molecular mass of glucose is 180, means 5 by 180 into 1000 by 95, that is 4.08 Kelvin. After that Tf is equal to delta Tf naught minus Tf, means pure solvent minus solution, means 273.15 Kelvin minus 4.08 Kelvin, that is equal to 269.07 Kelvin. Now the next question is, calculate the mass of compound molar mass, that is 256 gram per mole, to be dissolved in 75 gram of benzene to lower its freezing point by 0.48 Kelvin. Kf value is given, that is 5.12 Kelvin kg per mole. Here mass we can calculate. Delta Tf is equal to Kf into me m. Delta Tf is given, that is 0.48. Kf value is given, m molality means WB by MB into me 1000 by MA. WB we can calculate. Molar mass of solute, that is given 256, multiply 1000 by 75 gram, that is given. After calculated, answer is 1.8 gram. Next question, calculate the freezing point of a solution containing 60 gram of glucose, molecular mass 180 gram per mole in 250 gram of water. Kf of water, that is equal to 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. Here WB is given, that is 60 gram. MB is equal to 180 gram per mole. WA is 250 gram. Kf is 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. Apply this formula, delta Tf is equal to Kf into me m. Putting the values of Kf and m. Molality 60 divided by 180 into 1000 by me 250. After calculation, this answer is 2.48 Kelvin. A freezing point delta Tf, that is equal to Tf naught minus Tf. Here Tf means freezing point of solution can be calculated, equal to freezing point of pure solvent minus freezing point of the means cryoscopic constant. Putting this value here, 273.15 minus 2.48, 270.67. This is the freezing point of a solution. Thank you, students.